So today I'll present the second research paper analysis. So the title of the paper that I analyze is Do we have a chance to fix bugs when refactoring code smells? So this paper has been accepted to 2016 IEEE International Conference on Software Analysis, Testing and Evolution. It was presented in February 2016, and the venue was located in China. So, in terms of how to determine the venue quality, this conference seems not to be one of the reputable venue. It's not listed as one of the top general software engineering conference, and although it was published last year, it has a zero citation counts. So I consider that this conference is not a popular one. So as far as the problem statement of the work, the issues that this paper is trying to address is code smell could cause the detrimental effect on software. So refactoring is a way to eliminate such bad smells. So previous work have shown that there is a relationship between some code smell and faults, as code smell have a significant effect on faults. So in order to solve this issue, the paper has been shown that there is a need to fix bugs while refactoring. So and since arbitrary refactoring across system is unlikely to be effective, this paper investigates an approach to do so by prioritizing the code smart refactoring with the help of fault prediction results. So as for the context, so the basic idea of this paper is to find a way to use the code small result in order to enhance the performance of the fault predictions. Also, to analyze the possibility of using the information of these activities, which is the code small detections and fault prediction, to improve the precision and recall. And lastly, to explore on how to use the fault prediction result to prioritize the code smart refactoring with bug fixing purpose. And this paper seeks to answer the following research question. So the first one is it possible to detect bugs during the code smart refactoring? And to what extent can we improve the fault prediction performance using code smart detection result? And lastly, can we improve the efficiency of bug reduction during the code smart refactoring? So the approach has been applied in 4 open source projects. So the table shows the 4 open source Java software systems along with their with the description for each project. As for the anti-pattern, there are 8 kinds of code smells that are used in the study. So on this table shows the code smells along with the description. So the approach of this paper is as follows. So first, report the agreement between the result of code smell detection and the fault predictions. Second, to investigate the possibility of improving the precision and recall, to measure the improvement, and lastly, to calculate the fraction of the buggy modules that are infected by the code smell that should be refactored. So the following is the result for the first research questions. So the answer is yes, it is possible to reduce bugs during the code small refactoring. So this table shows different agreement between the result of the code small detection and default predictions. So for instance, the blob and for the blob and the complex class, they have the slight agreement with the fault prediction in all of the 4 projects, whereas in the lazy class, it has less than chance agreement in all of the projects. So the result is basically consistent with the previous studies that the effect of the sum code small and fault is small. And for the second research questions, the study has been shown that using some smells have some improvement in the precision and recall of default predictions. So for the recall, the improvement was shown in all of the projects, in all of the four projects, by 9 to 16%. And for the precision, um, the study showed that the result of the blob helped improve the fault predictions in 3 out of the 4 projects. And the result for the last research question, the answer is yes. The efficiency could be improved for of bug reduction, and the study showed that refactoring 3 kind of smell that is blob, long parameter loss, and refuse parent bequest should be given the priority to be refactored for a better bug reductions. And lastly, um, for the future work, I would suggest that this research could be improved by exploring more code smell and fault prediction modules, in addition to exploring some strategy to prioritize the code smell refactoring to save the bug reduction effort, and lastly, extending the number of open source projects and included in the study. And that's all about the second research paper. And thank you.